Hey guys, it's week 4 of raising our meat chickens, and man, they are going through a lot of food now. They go through about 2 pounds of food per bird per week. They're also going through about 10 gallons of water per day, so I have to fill up their water bucket twice a day now. One reason I think that they might be going through this much water is because I use the poultry watering nipples, and I think that just wastes a lot of water with the way they drink it. Let me give you a little more in-depth view of the watering system I made for these birds. The watering system is pretty simple. It's basically just a 5-gallon bucket that serves as a holding tank. And then attached to the 5-gallon bucket, I have a hose that you can find at a hardware store. It's a hose that's connected to your kitchen faucet or your bathroom faucet. And then that hose goes down to a 1.5-inch PVC pipe. It just screws onto the PVC pipe, that way you can take it apart easily. And then this PVC pipe is about 6 feet long. This PVC pipe has 8 poultry watering nipples on the bottom, and the birds are able to get their water through that. I also attached a shut-off valve to the bucket, that way you can take the hose off and move the bucket around full of water if you needed to. I'm still doing a daily move with these birds, and they'll do that the rest of their lives. Some days I'll actually end up doing 2 moves. If it's really wet outside, their poop will get really soaked and they lay in it. So I try to move them twice a day when it's really wet. As we get closer to butchering time, I'll end up moving them twice a day. They are able to pick up a lot of their feed from the grass itself. I hope you all are enjoying these videos on how we're raising our own meat chickens. In the next video, I'll show you how you can save some money making your own feeder for these chickens. So make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.